Good morning. Let's go over your coordinate algebra homework from last night, August 23rd. The first one says a bar of magnesium metal is determined to be 250 millimeters long. We started with 250 millimeters. What is the length of the magnesium bar in meters? So we want meters. And we want millimeters to cancel. So of course we put millimeters on the bottom so it'll cancel with the units up top. We know that 1 meter is 1,000 millimeters. So of course we do 250 times 1 equals 250. And then, of course, there's an invisible 1 right here. 1 times 1,000 is 1,000. And, of course, now we divide. So we get 0.25 meters. Number 2. We would set it up. We know that $1 is equal to 0.8135 euros. So there's our conversion. If we're starting with 25 euros, I have to use my conversion factor. And now I want to know how many dollars, so my answer is in dollars. And my answer is $30.73. Number 3. Suppose a 60-inch man stands on the head of a 6-foot man. How tall are they all together? So I either need to convert my 60-inch man to feet or my foot man to inches. So I know my conversion factor is 60 inches equals 5 feet. So if I'm going to use 60 inches, I know 12 inches is in 1 foot. I know that that person would be 5 feet tall. So if we add together 6 feet plus 5 feet, our answer is 11 feet. And if we wanted to convert it to inches, we would get 132 inches. Number 4, jogging 5 meters in a given period of time. The next day you jog 500 yards over the same period. On which day did you run the most? So we need to convert either our yards to meters or our meters to yards, because when we compare, we must have the same unit. I'm going to convert mine 500 meters to yards. I know my conversion factor is 1 yard is 0.914 meters. And I get 547 yards. So the 500 meters is further, it's a longer distance than the 500 yards. Number 5. 6 items purchased at a grocery store weigh 14,000 grams. How much do the groceries weigh in pounds? So we're starting with grams. Using our conversion factor, 1 pound is 454 grams. My grams are going to cancel. My answer is going to be left in pounds. So we get 30.84 pounds is my final answer. Number 6. A baseball diamond measures 27 meters along each side. If a batter scores a home run in a game, how many feet did the batter run? We've got to figure out how many meters he ran to begin with. So, of course, 27 times 4 equals 108 meters. My conversion is 1 foot is 0.305 meters. When I work that out, I get 354 feet. Number 7. The moon is 250,000 miles away. And how many feet is this? So we're starting with our miles. I know our conversion factor is 5,280 feet per 1 mile. Miles cancel. And our answer is there you go. We could also write that in scientific notation as 1.32 times 10 to the ninth power in feet. That's a big number. Number 8. The large block of cheese on record weighed 920,136 ounces. So let's start with our ounces. How many tons? Well, I don't have a conversion from ounces to tons, but I do have a conversion of, I know 1 pound is 16 ounces. That would get rid of my ounces. And I know 1 ton is 2,000 pounds. So that'll get my pounds to cancel. So my answer will be left in tons. 28.75 tons. And last but not least, number 9. We're starting with 13,001 foot. We're converting to miles. Or you could convert miles to feet. Either way, it's a little bit easier when you convert it to a number that's going to be smaller, a bigger unit, which gives me 2.46 miles. So when I can't compare the runways of both airports, I know that JFK is a longer runway. All right, I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Hope you're having a great Wednesday.